as she comes out of the shed. You ready, guys, to cold start this? It's been sitting since March 24th. March 24th. Well, let me repeat that. Find this homemade log stand. Yeah. Probably won't work the best, but let's see. It's got a little bit of gas left in it. Gonna have to prime it. Choke on. There we go. And there we go, huh? Shall we go for a ride? You want to go for off-road? I need to make a camera holder. Oh, that's good for today. See ya.